Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is February the 4th. I'll be walking you through Atossa Therapeutics. Take a simple ATOS. I want to touch base on this stock because I think it has potential. I actually currently have a position on a call option. I didn't buy the shares, but I think it's a good company to look at if you have a chance. I highly recommend you going through the news section, their website, about the medications that they're working on. They're in the healthcare space, and the healthcare space is kind of booming right now for mostly penny stocks. Quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. These stocks are very volatile, so be very careful while trading these stocks. Let's continue and see what they currently are at for the week. They've been up 107% for the week. For the month, they've been 374%, and for the 3 month, they've been 194%, and then the year, they've been almost 204%. So let's talk a little bit about the positions I earlier mentioned. Right now, I have 2 contracts expiring 7/16, and so far I have 190% return, and you can see already made almost $286. So the volume right now is about 72 million, which is very decent volume. You can see the low was about $4.03, and then the high was almost $4.90. So if you got in on the market open, at some point you will have taken some profit if you're like a day trader, or you like just trading stocks by the hour or by the minute. And then you can see the market cap is also pretty good, 237 million. So in the news you'll see a lot of people talking about the stock. I did purchase this, and I'll show you when I did purchase it. Let's see here. So I did buy this on the 25th, so just a few days ago, and then I bought 1 call option and then added another for the same expiry date. Let's talk about the company a little bit before I give you more details about why you should have this on your watch list. So Atossa Therapeutics Inc. operates as a clinical stage pharmaceutical company which focuses on the development of novel therapeutics and delivery methods for the treatment of breast cancer and other breast conditions. It offers Foresight and Argosite diagnostic tests. The Foresight breast health test provides personalized information about the 10-year and lifetime risk of breast cancer for women between ages 18 and 65. The Argosite breast health test offers information to help inform breast cancer treatment option and to help monitor potential recurrence. The company was founded by Stephen C. Quay and Shu-Chin Shen in December 2008 and is headquartered in Seattle, Washington. The listed name for ATOS is Atossa Therapeutics Inc. common stock. So you can see saying they have 6 employees, but I think they have more. Just verify that with their own website. I highly recommend every time somebody mentions the stock, make sure you just go through and check it out on the website. Check the presentation, check on the listings, how the company is planning to grow, so that you can see if you have a high conviction on what they're working on. I actually like this because it talks about breast cancer, and breast cancer is a type of cancer that affects women, and I think women are very vulnerable to many types of cancers compared to men, in my opinion. So when they go after a treatment which can help women, I think that's a good call. So we have some news that made the stock shoot up, and I'll kind of talk a little bit about it. So this was like a day before yesterday. Atossa Therapeutics phase 2 endoxifen breast cancer study produces substantially positive results, allowing study to be halted early. Clinical stage biopharmaceutical company seeking to discover and develop innovative medicine in an area of significant unmet medical need with a current focus on breast cancer and COVID-19. Today announced that based on the substantially positive results achieved with the patients enrolled to date in its Australian open label phase 2 clinical study of oral endoxifen administered in the window of opportunity between diagnostics of breast cancer and surgery, Atossa halted the study and is accelerating its endoxifen program in the United States. So that's really big news, and I think that's why the stock went up. And the fact that they have a lot of volume being traded on, it's something you should also consider. I always recommend, if it's a penny stock, make sure the volume is really big, so that if you're 50-50 and you want to take a risk, you can try and get into the dip and then sell at a high. Or if you believe in a company long term, you can hold. For me, since I didn't have funds to get the shares that I wanted, I just decided to do a call option, and I think I should be able to get a good return. And then if I decide to invest for the long term, I can use also some of the money that I got from the profits to purchase for long term. Thank you so much for reaching this far. I will really appreciate if you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're also growing very fast. I really appreciate your support so far, and be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.